Marketing tips for women entrepreneurs. Are you a female entrepreneur searching for new ways to market your new business? If so, there are many great ways to do so. Even better, the suggestions mentioned here are very affordable. Remember, unless you're lucky enough to have an unlimited supply of capital, it's always best to go easy on your finances in the beginning. Always have a plan. No matter what kind of small business you're in charge of, it's always best to have a plan before you put things into action. This is true of every aspect of running your business. You may want to keep an audio recorder or small notebook with you, or find a note-keeping app for your smartphone. Once you have a plan laid out, stick to it to the best of your abilities. Set optimistic goals. In order to get work done effectively, it's best to establish goals that you can work to achieve throughout the day, week, or month. These goals should be things that are attainable. Otherwise, you're just setting yourself up for failure. However, they should also be optimistic and challenging goals that will encourage you to push yourself in order to be as effective as possible. Know your target market. Research into your target market before you even open your doors to the public is crucial to your marketing plan. The more specific you can get by drilling down categories, the better. Not only do you need to know things like age, gender, and income bracket, you also need to know what motivates your ideal client or customer to buy. Build a strong portfolio. As the owner of the business, the way that you present yourself is often the first impression that potential clients or customers get of your organization. Make sure to always have a resume or portfolio available so that your future business associates can see all the hard work that you've done in the past. If they're impressed with how you represent yourself as a person, it's much more likely that they'll want to do business with you. Form a network. It can be difficult to market your product or business on your own. Fortunately, social networking makes it easy for just about anybody to reach out to potential clients. Make sure that your business has a strong web presence, and establish pages for it on social media sites. But social media isn't the only way to establish a network of clients and business associates. Whenever your business works with another company, be sure to establish a relationship between the two of you. Keep searching for new opportunities. Never pass up an opportunity to market yourself or your business to others. Make sure that you always have your business card with you in case you run across someone in your personal life that you want to form a connection with in your professional life. You never know where you might meet your next customer. These are just a few marketing tips for women entrepreneurs. Realistically, this is just the beginning. Obviously, you don't have to try all these things at once. Trying one or two at a time is usually the better way to go.